Veteran entertainer Junior History is dead.
Boy, you living, 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 boy, you living. Now for you think that they get the rust and know them born poor.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Junior History, whose real name is Redford Randall, died at the Cornwall Regional Hospital early Tuesday morning, October 23rd, from an ailment which has been plaguing him for the past few years. Recently, the veteran Western Jamaica-based DJ made several pleas to other dancehall entertainers and members of the public to assist him in getting the proper medication for his ailment, but not many it seemed that responded to his calls for help. Before his passing, the veteran DJ in subsequent interviews stated that he was suffering from a rare blood flow disorder. Randall had been a patient at the Cornwall Regional Hospital for some time now, but he was not getting the proper treatment or medication at the facility because he did not have the cash to pay for the medication, sources say. In recent years, Junior History, who is one of the most recognizable dancehall artists from Western Jamaica, became the breadwinner for his daughter's 2 children after she died, but after falling ill, both children were taken from him. History gained popularity in the early 90s, where he often performed alongside another veteran DJ, Cat Paw. During his years as a dancehall artist, he had appeared on Sting and Reggae Sunsplash on numerous occasions.
Well, I think all the poor youth living. You know, every day youth are suffer saying, hey, we be bonga, we be bounce king, hey, we be bonga, we be bounce king, hey, we be bonga, we be bounce king, hey, we be bonga, we be bounce king. Boy, you living, 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 boy, you living. Now for you think that they get the rust and know them born poor. When them buy a pan, so let them can't buy no more.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.